How to turn off the NSFW filter on Character AI. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to disable NSFW restriction on Character AI. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open and download the updated version of Character AI. Tap Update or the open button next to it and then log in or sign into your account. So once you load or get access to the chat page, make sure that you have created any kind of character, group chat, persona, or voice. And if you haven't yet created, you can tap on any one of it and you can easily create on character.ai. So let me make you aware that unlike other application, there is no such any kind of particular button or this step that help us to turn off the NSFW filter on character.ai directly like other application on their settings section. So what you need to do is on this chat page, you need to open any kind of chats on this section. And here you need to type in the message to turn off the NSFW filter. Once you type in the message, tap on the arrow icon next to it. And after that, the character AI will provide the message and help us to say that the NSFW filter has been deactivated. Once it is done and notified, you can easily turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. If it has not been turned off, you can easily try chatting or texting message to other chats and conversation as well. That is how we turn off the NSFW filter on character.ai application. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.